Well, good evening. What a better way to start than fueling the car up, and we're about to head to Tokyo because it's Auto Salon. First time Auto Salon. We've got a bit to do tonight and tomorrow, and then Auto Salon Saturday, Sunday. So, should be a good one. It's not the era that I fell in love with, like the 2000s, but still excited to see what new products everybody's got. Seen a few hints online for what cool cars are going to be there, so it's going to be interesting. But yeah, 6 hours to go. Next time you'll see us in Tokyo.
Trucks though, they don't give a...
They ain't got semi-slicks and your tires with questionable tread.
Why do you hear questionable tread?
Burnouts and touches. Yeah, well, I'll be able to ask him where he's from. Right, so it's about 2:30 in the morning. We just stopped at this PA because, well, yeah, a little bit of a problem. Not just because we followed that GTR and that you just seen. I'll go to the car and show you. So we got about an hour and a half, roughly, to where we need to go. But I'm hoping we actually make it. So yeah, we felt a bit of a shake because we had a bit of an issue with wheel studs a while ago. So I have a crossbar in the car just in case or anything happens. And yeah, I'll show you in a second, but front left wheel nuts, wheel studs, not looking good. So, okay. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah. And they will not tighten, they just spin. So hopefully in 1.5 hours I'll be able to say we made it to our destination. Even though it's so late at night, sent out a few messages in a bit of a panic because, well, we're supposed to be driving around the whole weekend in Tokyo. Dory Alex has front wheel studs and a workshop. Plans for tomorrow have changed slightly, so now it's going to be drive to Fusa, Tokyo, fix the car there tomorrow, hopefully enjoy Tokyo tomorrow night. Getting those studs off is going to be a bit of a pain. Yeah, right. Hopefully the next clip you see is us pulled up outside a hotel of some sort, or place we're staying, or we'll be sleeping in the car, one of the two. It's been a good road trip so far. Oh yeah, as you've seen, there was a blizzard. Right, back on the road.
4 a.m. We made it. I think that's it. I'm fucking too tired. I'll see you tomorrow.
Well, good morning. We made it in the end, thankfully. It would have been bad if we didn't, or we lost the wheel on the highway and became a foreigner that caused another accident. However, our hotel choices last night were very limited. So we just had to pick whatever we could after 2 failed attempts because short stay hotels were fully booked. It was so bad, couldn't even take a video pitch. Nah. Nope. It's funny, but no.
There's no admitting that we stayed here.
Nah. But now we're in Fusa, Tokyo. We're gonna meet up with Alex and then fix this car.
So here we are, Hi.Chance's car. As you can see, this is what we're dealing with before. Yeah, these two are broken. And tried to self-center, pull the wheel in on their own ones, and it didn't really work. We made it to Tokyo, and now we're changing it.
I'm stealing these cups from my video.
What? See what I said. Just because I get good videos.
Yeah. See, in your video, it's going to be me struggling with the ratchet. In my video, it's going to be straight to a rattle.
Oh, you'll lose that down the hoist. It'll be
Why
good.
so negative?
It wasn't negative. I got it. Okay, I actually have one hand now. Shit. Because I got one to video.
Useless.
Can I do it? Oh no, you got it.
Jackie has a black eye in her next video. A brake disc fell on her.
Ooh. Look. Look at them lick them. Oh, look at them. Are they extended?
Yeah.
Sick.
Oh yeah.
On one side.
No, do both sides.
Have you got more? Oh, sick.
One.
Really, it comes to Tokyo, upgrade the car. If you think about it.
Yeah, well, I didn't really plan on this thing.
No, this is good.
But first time I've seen it underneath my car. The subframe is blue.
Ooh.
And it's braced to high heaven.
Shit, that's cool.
Like, they went wild with the spot wheels. Fucking tuck, 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 tuck.
Here's little Kane's parked by Braille.
How fancy is my diff breather, by the way?
Yeah. Can I borrow that?
Huh? Pleasure.
I don't know if I trust you with that. Someone needs to confiscate that off you.
Why?
That's just not. It's just something that you'd steal.
You want to do this, don't you? You're saying you want a hammer.
It's been a while since I got to hit things with a hammer.
Go again. 2. Oh wait, and you get one out. It looks like a vert on my car. Then I get by you.
Okay.
Alright, you can do it now.
Yeah. For controversial reasons, I will not be filming the install of Kane installing these.
I don't agree with it.
So,
But what else should I do? And they're in.
Question.
Japan is the only place that you can message your American friend at 2:30 in the morning to ask if he's got a workshop or does he know where you can get this. And he has them in his possession. And then he gives you a workshop to work on as well. And that's his car as well. So.
What? Sick.
I feel sassy today.
You feel sassy?
Yeah.
Now I can go to Tokyo Auto Salon without a wheel falling off. Oh. Yeah, miss going out the workshop wheels too.
Great success. I want that 8.6. That is perfect. Not the nice clean one, the other one. That's perfect. Come pick.
Look at your hands. You didn't even wipe them. This is not the way.
Don't want to curb a wheel now, do we?
No.
We don't want to talk about that.
No.
No, I didn't curb a wheel. No, we're not talking about that. Shame. Right, so wheel studs fine, done, fit. I hate this steer, but I'm buying a new one this week. Oh, there's somebody washing the car. I'm in a mistake. We left the workshop and to go get food. Helps when you tighten your caliper bolts.
Yeah, like, clank, clank. I was like, oh, did you tighten the caliper bolts? He just went.
I was like, no. But that's all right now. All good.
Lost both bolts. It just sent Alex to go find the bolt. Once Alex had to go find one, we realised that both were in there. And then he came back just like holding the bolt.
And then...
And I was like, did you get the other one? He was like, 2!
Yeah! 2, hold it on. I needed 2. Yeah. Now the dust shield is rubbing like crazy, so we'll fix that later. Right? Car clean, fix dust shield, Tokyo. So we made it, checked in the hotel. Now we are going to see what we can find tonight. We do have to meet friends at 9 p.m. at one of the nightclubs because we've not seen them in a while. And then, yeah, so we have about 3-4 hours where we need to fit something in. So we're going to go car hunting, I think. See what's about. So this is my first time in like Shibuya with a car. It's a lot busier than I expected.
Yeah.
SR things. It's more what I'm about the SR stuff.
Huh?
I'm more about the SR stuff.
Yeah.
We just stopped at Shibuya. It's crazy busy with people. There's a few cars but not too much going on, so now I head to Akihabara to the UDX parking. Hopefully there's a bit more there. It is early, but yeah, let's see. Okay, so a little change of plan. Akihabara, nope, not tonight. Tokyo Tower. Apparently there's a meet going on. I just got a message. It starts in about 50 minutes, 40-50 minutes. We're about 20 minutes away, so now I want to see one of the pre-meets for Tokyo Auto Salon. Cresta is doing an absolute great job. Oh, Jackie's tired. We've still not slept yet. Took us a wee bit of time to find out where this parking entrance was, because everywhere else is full. All the cool cars we kind of went over. This is one of the Tokyo Auto Salon pre-meets. Showed up. It was cold. It was good. It was quite small, really well put together, but there were just so many people. Oh wow! Sorry.
What? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
The spot was about 5 times smaller than it was last year, from what I've heard from everybody. So everybody's packed in there. Really good, but time to go party.